In 1991, Centers for Disease Control was real concerned about what was going on in South Carolina. We had twice the national average of babies born with birth defects of the brain and spine, neural tube defects. And we've been educating women about the importance of taking folic acid before they get pregnant and during their pregnancy. And as a result, our birth defects, instead of being twice the national average, our rates have actually been reduced by over 60%. Our program has now become a model program for other states to follow.
Since 1990, we have been primarily focused on genes on the X chromosome that cause intellectual disability. Presently, there are about 120 genes that have been identified that cause X-linked intellectual disability. And I can say that the GGC has been responsible for identifying 1/3 to 1/4 of the genes. We've identified a biochemical change in cells from patients with autism, and this may allow us to develop a blood test to use for patients that are suspected of having autism and allow us to make a diagnosis early. That early diagnosis will allow earlier intervention and treatment of such patients. The Greenwood-Clemson collaboration came into being about 10 years ago, and it's finally coming to fruition with the building of a building here on the campus of the Greenwood Genetic Center and the hiring of the Self Chair in Human Genetics and three or four other individuals. The hope of the people here at the Greenwood Genetic Center that the addition of these researchers will increase the critical mass of research that's critical for really addressing the issues of intellectual disability, autism, and birth defects.
Our vision and our goal is that we want to be at the forefront of using genetic information, technology, and knowledge to actually change outcomes for the lives of those that we care. So we change their lives for the better.